Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious souffle cake using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Carefully separate the egg whites from the yolks, placing them into separate, clean bowls. Also, remember to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's ready. Now let's prepare our batter. Using an electric mixer, beat the egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This step is crucial for the souffle's airy texture. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks with the sugar until the mixture becomes light in color and creamy. Then, gently fold the 1/4 cup of flour into the yolk mixture, being careful not to overmix, which can develop gluten. The next step is to combine our mixtures. Take about 1/3 of the whipped egg whites and gently fold them into the egg yolk batter to lighten it. Then, add the remaining egg whites in 2 more additions, folding very carefully to maintain the airiness. Pour the delicate batter into an 8-inch round cake pan. Bake it in your preheated oven for approximately 30 minutes or until golden brown and set. Once baked, your souffle cake needs a little care. Allow it to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and prevents it from collapsing too quickly. After 10 minutes, carefully invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely. This easy method yields a wonderfully light and airy cake. Serve it plain or with a simple dusting of powdered sugar for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.